Pagska was a Miss Universe 2015 I went on past Sunday night and I had to tune in for to support my Miss Jamaica Charlene Radlin. But that wasn't the highlight of the night. Mr. Steve Harvey gonna make a mistake upon live TV where make Portia and our one leaders them catch a fits. So Mr. Steve Harvey, Mr. Hightower, go up on the stage and announce the wrong girl as the winner. You tell me no. Him go call clean and cute deep freeze body Miss Colombia as the first place winner, when in fact it was actually Miss Philippines.
Listen, folks, let me just take control of this. This is exactly what's on the card. I will take responsibility for this. It was my mistake. It was on the card. Horrible mistake, but the right thing, I can show it to you right here.
And then we go pre and go make and realize it's a mistake he make and go announce Friday Face Jiggle Boob Miss Philippines as the rightful winner.
Miss Universe 2015 is Philippines.
Steve, I know you're human, you know, but what a blunder. I fully rate you and respect you say you own up your error as a man, but that don't mean so we're not gonna laugh after you. Steve step out on the stage like one of them people when knows them have a bus ass or wait for them at them yard. The way depression and grief are sweeping face, him should have in a full black. Where white I go? That time when too much hot girl around you. Everybody end up look identical. And the first runner-up is hot. And the winner is also hot. Steve with the union sign and underneath him knows all much people. You can't just forget the Miss Universe work there ever again. Well, Steve, look on the bright side. You have other work. You have your family feud job. And you have your talk show. Push come to shove, you can always go write a new book. Acts like a first runner-up, think like Miss Universe. Then poor Miss Colombia after Steve come out and say,
I have to apologize.
Turn up the clueless and not understand crap. See her, ya? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Sofia Vergara. But as soon as Steve called first runner-up, Fear Smell went to like acting with proactive.
The first runner-up is Colombia.
And then catch Miss Philippines.
The first...
She starts getting fear teeth as soon as she hears Steve say, I gotta apologize. It's like so she just did no, so she had a rightful winner. She not even wait. She walk out a long time before the money will come out. Then oh God, then that messy, awkward moment when the farmer winner did have to come out and take half the crown off of Miss Colombia head and put it on Miss Philippines head. I would wish that for my worst enemy. Moments of silence for Miss Colombia ego. Then there was this dirty, insensitive lady right in the front of the crowd that was like, take off the crown off of the gal head, take it off, take it off.
Se acerca entonces Paulina Vega a coronar y a tratar de solucionar el problema ahí.
No, some soap opera is The Crown and the Crownless. Was Steve up on the stage like, is it too late now to say sorry? And poor Miss Colombia turn up there like, what do you mean? Oh. Miss Philippines just pop up saying, hello, it's me. No sir, all three of them need to release one album. Hi, I'm Dottie Berry, and I bring to you this season the classic album Miss 2015 Meltdown, featuring great singers such as Steve Harvey. If I could turn back the hands of time. As well as Miss Colombia with her #1 hit, #2 hit. And let's not forget the extraordinary performer, Miss Philippines. When you gonna give it up to me? I don't see it, but I'm not let them two girls, let them very classy. Make a the one cantankerous Jamaican girl. Jamaican girl as Miss Colombia. Yeah, me win! I win! Big up all of my haters them because I never want to reach so far, but me and God bless. Wait, what? So me must give it up? No, I'm not give it up. The best I can come with is that the two we go and share it for the year. She gets 6 months, me get 6 months. That's how I do it. I work on shift. I give up nothing. Take it off of my head if you think about it on me. Take it off of my head. Take it. No, come, Steve, because I never know. So ask Steve if he can read and write before I come begin to work. Jamaican girl as Miss Philippines. I want to tell you USA, I want to tell you that I never deserve food. I tell you I'm me win, don't it? Come and look better, don't. My shape better, don't. My smell better, don't it? Don't think I'll take off my crown off my head. Take it off, take it off, take it off. Take it off before you look at dangerous, careless lies come catch it. Take it off. Jamaican as Steve Harvey. And Miss Universe 2015 is Miss Colombia! Oh shit, see? It's actually Miss what is Miss? Oh, Miss Philippines. Oh. Well, I guess she gets shaken. I like say Jamaica, so there's no win for you. So peace out. Merry Christmas, peeps, and thanks for watching another Dottie Berry Show. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you want to connect with me on my social media, it is at Dottie Berry Show on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. If you want to email me, book me for anything, it is dottieberryshow@gmail.com. Alright, take care until next time. Peace out.